Here's how to delete a video from your YouTube channel. It's quite easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your YouTube app. Then go to the desired channel from where you want to delete a video. Now tap on the profile icon and then select your channel option. After that, tap on the manage videos option at the top. Now here scroll to the bottom and go to the video that you want to delete and then tap on the three dots at the top of this. Now here you will be able to view the option of delete. Now tap on the delete option to confirm your decision. Here remember one thing, once you delete your video from your channel, you will not be able to recover this video. So make sure that you have a backup for this video or you download it. So that's how to delete a video from your YouTube channel.